Hi, this is Grace, and in this video I will be talking about translating Makecode into Python using the Adafruit website and the platform Mew. As you can see over here on the Makecode side, we have this forever loop to start off with, and it encloses all of these blocks in the middle. Well, but we don't have to do that over here on the Mew side. In Mew, you have to set the sensor reading as 0 when you start off with. So that's what I did here, while you don't really need to do that in Makecode. And this block, and this line right here are both setting the pixels to be white in the beginning. And the reason I did that was because I set a parameter on the while loop, so I wanted another color light to show when it's not running inside the while loop. And also, since Mew doesn't have these pre-programmed blocks like Adafruit does, I had to set the variable name for the light sensors as light level. Now let's get into the while loop here. As you can see, all of the parameters are exactly the same. I made sure of that. And in the while loop is the if statement. And it's really interesting to see how Mew uses these two tabs, while Adafruit uses the while loop as an enclosure, but they all mean the same thing. So basically, I said that while the light level is greater than 100, if the light level is smaller than 200, so basically when the light level is between 100 and 200, then the CPX's pixels would be red, and if not, meaning that the light level is greater than or equal to 200, all the pixels would be green. And when you put this into the CPX, I really hope I can show you, but I don't know how to record that. But basically, if you put the CPX in a light level that's smaller than 100, all of the pixels would be white. And if you, say, shine a flashlight on the light sensor kind of far away, causing it to be between 100 and 200, it would be red. And if you really press the flashlight onto the light sensor, making it really, really bright, all of the pixels would be green. Thank you.